Hello students, this video is related to chapter number 22 synonyms in your book The Maturing Seed. I have already explained this chapter through the video and today I am going to revise the exercises to you as per your request. So before going through the exercises, we should know the definition of synonyms. So let's start with the definition. Synonyms are words having the same or almost the same meaning. Let's have some examples. Synonym of house is house, home. Synonym of small is tiny. Synonym of entry is entrance. Synonym of ask is request. There can be more than one synonym of any word, and you can take the help of a dictionary. Here we have exercise number 22A, and here I have written only one synonym of each word. You can take the help of dictionary and find other words also. So first word is often. Synonym is frequently, means regularly. Haste means hurry. Thought, idea. Kind, affectionate. Error, mistake. Tidy, neat. Admit, accept or permit. Help, support. Purchase, buy. Enormous, large. Collect, gather. Rest, relax. Honest, truthful. Value, worth. Chance, possibility. Clever, cunning. Example, fox is a cunning animal. Quiet, silence. Complete, finish, begin, commence, or we can say start. And at last we have special, means exclusive. These are the synonyms of these words and synonyms of each word, or we can say synonyms of each other. Okay. And here I have written, I told you here I have written only one synonym. You can find another synonyms words of these words and just take the help of dictionary or any app. I suggest you to find the meaning of any word. Just download the app WordWeb. It will be beneficial for you. And now we have another exercise number 22B, and we have to do the same whatever we have done in the last exercise. Write the synonyms of the following words. First we have halt, means stop. Ask, request. Attempt, try. Annually, yearly. Provide, give. Glance, look. Occur, happen. Seize, grasp. Frighten, scared. Various, many. Hilarious, funny. Discover, find. Near, close. Single, solo. You must have heard this word in solo dancing. We will perform in solo dancing. Solo means single. Respect, admire. Ancient, old. Behave, apt. Infant, child. Trip, journey. Valuable, expensive, or we can say costly. This exercise is given in your English language book, The Maturing Seed. You can fill the exercises in your English language book. Thank you.